In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void or delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Before we begin, a quick note on what these actions mean. Voiding keeps the invoice on your books but clears its payment status, which preserves a record for your audit trail. Deleting permanently removes the invoice and any linked payment, which can change your historical reports. If you're unsure which option is right for your situation, check with your accountant first. Start by heading to the sales area from the left menu. Depending on your version, this might be labeled Get Paid and Pay. Both lead you to the same place where your customer transactions live. If you have multiple companies or recently changed settings, make sure you're in the correct company and refresh the page so everything loads properly. Next, open your invoices list. Click Invoices or select All Sales and then switch to the Invoices view. You'll see a list of invoices with columns for customer, date, amount, and status. If you're working with a long list, use the search bar, filters, or column sorting to narrow it down by customer name, invoice number, or date range. Locate the invoice you want to change and double-check the status column. You'll want to confirm it's marked Paid or Open. That status tells you whether money has been applied and helps you pick the right action. If a filter hides the invoice, clear or adjust the filter so it shows up. On the invoice row, look to the top right for the drop-down menu. Depending on your layout, this may look like a small arrow or a More menu. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse over the row and it should appear. Now choose your action. If you need to keep the invoice record for reference while removing its payment status, select Void, then confirm in the prompt. This will keep the invoice in your list and is often the safer option when you want a clear trail of what changed. If you want to completely remove the invoice and its payment from your books, select Delete, then confirm. Remember, deletion is permanent and will affect your reports and customer balances. Finally, verify the result. After voiding, the invoice will remain visible and its status will show open or unpaid. After deleting, the invoice will no longer appear in your list. If it still shows, refresh the page or clear filters to update the view. If you don't have permission to void or delete, contact an admin user. And if you need to review what changed, your audit log can provide details of the action you took. That's it. Now you know how to void or delete an invoice confidently and correctly.